Hi, it's Laura at the Charleston Holistic Center, and it is day 13 of the Increase Your Love Challenge. It's time to move it outward. We're going to do I love my city, I love my state, and I love my country. It works. I understand if you're not in the United States, most countries still have regions, so use the region that you're in. All right? You may not be in a very large city. That doesn't matter. Just use your current location for the first bit, then your region, then your country. All right? Let's do this. Breathe nice and deep. Get a feeling of love in your heart. I love my city. I love my city. Project the love you have to your region of your city, town, countryside. I love my city. I love my city. Project the love to your location. I love my city. Blanket the area in love. All right, now push it out further. I love my state. In my case, it's South Carolina. I love South Carolina. I love my state. I love my state. Push it out. Cover the whole region. Blanket it in love. I love my state. The state can use some love. I love my state. I love my state. Now, push it further. I love my country. I love my country. I love my country. I love my countrymen and women. I love my country. 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 I love my city. I love my state. I love my country. Thank you and namaste.